When I have my questions, well, they do assist me quickly. I can write to the help system that the platform has. And I also have the option that, well, they always assist me through WhatsApp, which is faster, or I can also call by phone. They answer my emails. And with that, well, we've been working without any problems. No, well, we're in year 6 of the implementation.
Yes, right. It's been quite a while.
And it's going up. And with what you've said, well, it's already like part of the contributions the company has, right? That were identified by that project.
And that really makes us quite proud, because the idea of Enabley is that we stay with the clients for a long time. I mean, that it's not just like once the system went in and they saw it and it served them for a little bit and that's it, but that we can grow with you, and that also exactly many of the needs that are changing in the system come from the clients, right? Yes, and the artificial intelligence part came out because the clients were asking for it, the certifications, the DC3 thing. They are exactly meeting the needs that you expressed to us, our clients, right?